All right. So, one of the other ways that you can engage in learning the concepts of each unit in this year is to actually use the biology higher order conceptual practice workbooks. And there's a direct link to find all of the lessons that you can do under content resources. So, if you click on that, it will open a folder where you can have access to the biology Flynn POGIL workbooks or the Biozone workbooks. Now, this is one way you could find them, but the other way is at the very top of every unit that we cover this year, there is a document called Standards, Resources, and Extra Practice. And if you open that document and scroll down, you will find near the bottom the POGO lessons and Biozone lessons which match this topic. So, for example, this first unit uh, has a lesson on the parts of the cell, which is lesson two, and Pogos 7 through 9 will actually cover that. So, if we go into the Pogos and open Pogos 7, you'll find a worksheet that you can complete. And the cool thing about these worksheets is that they're designed to teach you the material as you complete them. So, you learn as you're doing them. They are supposed to be standalone. You mostly don't need a textbook or a video to help you fill them out. I mean, sometimes you might want to look something up on Google if you really need to, but um, honestly, it's supposed to be an inquiry-based worksheet where you just do the thinking and learn as you go along, as you read through it. And biozones are a little bit like it, but they're a little bit more direct instruction within them. So, for example, on this lesson, you have the sections 20 to 28 which is Biozone. So if we go Biozone and find 20 through 28 cell systems, there you go. And you can find on the Biozone ones, there's going to be a little bit more direct instruction, like it would be in a textbook. And then past that, yeah, you will get some questions as well. Now, this is one is a little less inquiry based because it has those instructions for you. But it's still a really cool one. I am partial to the Pogos because of how it's inquiry based. But the Biosol ones are still kind of awesome, and I hope that you guys take advantage of these because this is definitely another way to go about engaging learning in a topic. Now, you might want to be like, "Oh, I don't have a printer. How can I do this?" Well, you can do answers only on a separate sheet of paper if you want, or even better, you can use Kami to complete them. And you to do that, you will first download the worksheet, and you can download them from here on the top right or here if you're doing a biozone. And in another video, I'll show you how to use Kami to complete a worksheet that you have already downloaded to your computer. Now, remember, while you can access them through this link here, where it says Higher Order Conceptual Practice Workbooks, it is actually better to go into the first document at the top of every unit because that one tells you which lessons match the unit that you're going into the school year. So I hope that you choose to engage in these because these are great tools to help you learn. And if you do them, this can count for bonus points if I am giving bonus points for this kind of work. All right. So I hope you find this helpful.